This is a 2023 GMC Yukon XL. This one is equipped with a 6.2 V8. Being it's a Denali, it has its unique grille, chrome, full all the way through. Sensors in the front and back with a 360 camera. That's your signature LED headlights. 22-inch wheels, these are standard on these ones. You can upgrade them with different ones. Power deploying running boards. When you open the door or close, it will go on its own. Dual exhaust tips. Only come in 6.2, doesn't come in diesel. Nice trim there. This one is equipped with the bucket seats, full leather, and 3 at the back, 2 in the middle. These are your 4-wide system, your heads-up display option. You can see the heads-up display right there. Heated seats, air conditioning seats, and other climate control, navigation system. This one has a 360 camera in the front, back, side, all the way through. Push button style shifter gear, digital display, your wireless charging, bucket seats in the front, full panoramic roof. MSRP on this one is just a little over 100,000.